describing how tomato ketchup is made in a factory. Hello and welcome to this video where we'll take an inside look at how one of the world's most popular condiments, tomato ketchup, is made in a factory setting. Ketchup is a sauce made from tomatoes, vinegar, sugar, and a blend of spices and seasonings. While it's easy to make small batches at home, large-scale commercial production requires specialized equipment and processes. Today, we'll walk through each step, from receiving the raw ingredients to bottling the finished product. The process begins with the delivery of fresh, ripe tomatoes to the factory. These tomatoes are carefully inspected for quality and ripeness. Other key ingredients like vinegar, sugar, salt, and spices are also received and stored until needed. Accepted tomatoes go through a series of cleaning and preparation steps. Washing to remove dirt, debris, and pesticide residues. Chopping or crushing to break down the tomatoes. Heating to facilitate removal of skins and seeds. Straining to extract only the tomato puree, juice. This puree provides the base for the ketchup. The tomato puree is transferred to large kettles or vacuum cookers. Here it's cooked to thicken the mixture to the desired ketchup consistency. Allow the vinegar to blend and preserve the product. Let the sugars caramelize for enhanced flavor. This is when the carefully measured spices and seasonings are added, including onion powder, garlic powder, mustard powder, cinnamon, cloves, allspice, and other spices. The exact blend is each company's secret recipe. Once cooked to perfection, the ketchup goes through a final straining to remove any remaining seeds or pieces. Samples are pulled for quality testing to ensure proper viscosity, thickness, accurate color, absence of contaminants, correct ratio of solids to liquids. Only batches meeting all specifications move to the bottling stage. Approved ketchup is pumped into an automated bottling line, where clean glass or plastic bottles are filled. Bottles are capped and sealed. Caps and labels are applied. Bottles are packed into cases or cartons. Strict sanitation protocols are followed throughout to prevent contamination. Packaged ketchup cases are stored in a warehouse until ready for distribution to grocery stores, restaurants, and food service operations worldwide. Proper stock rotation ensures products move through the supply chain while still fresh. So there you have it. The journey of how those beautiful red tomatoes get transformed into one of America's favorite condiments through an efficient, large-scale production process. Next time you pick up a bottle of ketchup, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the work involved in making this tasty sauce we so often take for granted. Thanks for watching. The journey from tomato to ketchup is a blend of tradition, science, and passion. Next time you enjoy this beloved condiment, you'll know the craftsmanship and care that went into its creation. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful exploration with the text. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys.